Hello, my name is Joshua Rudd with Rudd's Home Farm, and today I'm going to talk to you about what is the best grow lights to use for your indoor grow area. Stick with me. So what is the best type of grow light for your indoor farm? That would be LED lighting, especially the white variety. I use 100 watt, 4-foot, hangable LED lighting for my grow area. Reason number one, LED lighting is the most efficient type of lighting available for growing your plants. I show here the calculation I use to calculate how much electricity my 100 watt LED lights use. And you can see that it only comes out to be 16.8 cents per day, and that only equals about $5 per month. So that's not bad I keep these on 24 hours a day, so that's not bad for using LED lighting for 24 hours for a month straight. Reason number two, white LED lighting is the best color for your plants. You want to mimic the sun. The sun has the best kind of light spectrum available for the plants, and so to mimic that, white LED lighting gives a full spectrum range similar to the sun. Fluorescent lighting, HID, and other lights do not compare to the full spectrum that white LED light can give you. Not even purple or red. Those old technology. Update yourself with some white grow lights, as you can see right behind me. These plants are just under this white 100 watt LED light strip, about 4 feet long. And you can see they're about maybe 4 or 5 days old, and they're doing just fine, and they're growing just like a regular plant would be out in the dirt. Reason number three is since they're 100 watt, they can be placed close to the plants, and if they can be placed close to the plants, they can be stacked. You'll see 1,000 watt lights out there, LED lighting, and you just have to place them at least 3 feet away from your plants. And so you can't stack that on top of each other. And most of the time, with those spotlight type lamps, you get like a circle where it's extremely high intensity in the middle and it radiates to lesser in the edges. So you can really only use the center of a light at 3 feet away. But with a 4-foot length, it's equal throughout the whole length of the strip, of the 4 feet strip. And so you can grow along the whole 4-foot area, 4 foot by about 2 feet, 4 by 2, pretty much. So that's the reasons why this LED light bulb is the best type you can make for your grow area. You can grow small plants, you can grow big plants, you can just adjust your shelving along as the plant grows, and you can lift it. This is hanging right here, so you can lift it and raise it and lower it. So pretty much there's no plants that you can't grow under this type of LED lighting. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.